What is up, TSFL Nation? I'm back with another reaction. This is Dora the Ratchet Explorer, and this is from by Lele Pons, and she's a pretty good skit maker. She knows how to make she knows how to make good skits. That's all I'm trying to say. I'm trying to get my mind into words right now, but I'm tired. But yeah, we're about to check it out and see what happens. So let's go. This should be funny.
Honey, enjoy Dora. We'll be home soon.
Bye, love.
Bye, Mommy.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
They're all innocent.
Soy Dora.
Dora.
And this is mi amigas, Boots. I lost my puppy. Mi perro. Oh no. Can you help me find?
She's like, oh no. Dang it, oh my goodness. My internet is acting up. 1 second, guys.
I lost my puppy.
All right.
Mi perro.
He's a.
Oh no. Can you help me find him?
Okay.
That's great. Yeah. Let's go. Excuse me. Have you seen my puppy?
Yeah, right. I've seen it all over.
Okay. I'm so dirty right now. But have you seen my puppy?
I haven't seen it, no yet. Sorry.
Okay.
I want to kiss the puppy.
What is up with this guy's teeth?
Oh no, we're lost.
Oh my God, what do we do?
The map.
The map. Get the map out the backpack.
Where is it? It's inside. Get the map.
Shoot, kids, I'm surprised he didn't say GTS.
Tranquilo. You look a little lost. Don't be stressed. I give you 3 letters. GPS. I'm the map.
GPS.
I'm the map.
That's my map. He keeps us on track. When I leave home, he's got my back. Hold up.
Can you find the twerkers?
Back, 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 back. We're so cool, the way we rap.
You look a little hungry. Here's a snack.
Thanks for the fruit.
You know I got you, boo.
You're my best friend.
What about Boots?
So I can make a laugh.
Cool. Can I use this?
Yep.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Oh no, we can't go arriba or down.
So, say it.
Say it. Through.
Ay, Dios mío. What do we do? It's a mountain. Do we go under?
No.
We jump? Do we go? Thanks for nothing, you idiot.
Yay, we're almost finished.
We made it, Dora.
Do you hear that?
What is that?
Swiper, swiper, swiper. Help us find Swiper.
Is he here?
Or there.
He's like,
Huh?
he doesn't even care anymore. He's like, I don't know. You guys figure it out.
Louder!
Louder, for God's sake!
Behind us! Oh, Swiper. Oh, no, Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, cut that. Swiper.
Damn.
Dora, that was hot.
Let's go. Where the cops come. What the hell is this? The cops. There she is.
Dang.
Hey,
Thanks, guys.
we did it! Gracias, amigo!
Gracias.
The song! We did it! 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 Where'd it go?
No, you didn't.
Where we gonna go? Who took her? I quit! Where did she? Whatever.
I quit.
We're home. Hi. We have a surprise for you. Surprise!
What the heck? What was up with that face? Even like, that was creepy as heck, but that was funny. That was a pretty good skit. I like it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave the like button, subscribe, and yeah, guys, peace.